Hey there, digital explorers and crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to another mind-blowing episode where we dive deep into the world of NFTs. It's 2025, and NFTs have come a long way since their inception. So buckle up as we embark on a thrilling journey through the NFT universe. NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, are unique digital assets that represent ownership of specific items or content on a blockchain. Unlike cryptocurrencies, which are fungible and interchangeable, each NFT has a distinct identity that sets it apart from every other token. Imagine owning a one-of-a-kind digital trading card or a piece of virtual real estate that's exclusively yours. That's the magic of NFTs. They're like digital certificates of authenticity, proving that you own something truly unique in the digital realm. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of how these digital wonders function. Blockchain technology. NFTs are primarily traded on blockchains, with Ethereum being the most popular. The blockchain's transparency ensures that ownership can be easily traced, while still allowing for pseudonymous transactions. Smart contracts. These are the backbone of NFTs. Smart contracts automate the process of assigning ownership during the minting process, which is when a digital file is converted into a unique asset on the blockchain. Token standards. The two most popular standards are ERC 721 and ERC 1155. These set the rules for how NFTs function and interact with other applications. Minting process. This is where the magic happens. When an NFT is minted, a new block is created, the NFT's information is validated, and the block is closed. This process assigns a unique identifier to the token, linking it directly to one blockchain address. As of January 2025, the NFT market is booming. In the first week of the year alone, NFT sales hit a staggering $130 million. Let's take a look at some of the hottest NFT projects dominating the scene. Pudgy Penguins has taken the NFT world by storm. This collection of 8,888 adorable penguin NFTs isn't just about cute digital art, it's a full-blown ecosystem. In December 2024, they launched their native token, PENGU, on the Solana blockchain. Within weeks, it gained significant traction, with over 615,000 on-chain holders. The Pudgy Penguins team isn't stopping there. They're planning to launch their own Layer 2 blockchain called Abstract in Q1 2025. What makes Pudgy Penguins stand out is their commitment to real-world impact. They've partnered with major retailers like Walmart and Amazon to launch Pudgy Toys, bridging the gap between digital collectibles and physical merchandise. Azuki, launched in January 2022, features 10,000 anime-inspired avatars that have captured the hearts of NFT enthusiasts worldwide. But here's where it gets exciting. In January 2025, Azuki is set to launch its own token, ANIME, and maybe by the time you are watching this video, it is already launched. The Anime token isn't just another cryptocurrency, it's the native token of Anime Chain, a new Layer 3 blockchain built in collaboration with Arbitrum. This move shows how NFT projects are evolving beyond simple collectibles to become full-fledged blockchain ecosystems. The Bored Ape Yacht Club, BAYC, remains a titan in the NFT space. With a market cap of over 107,506 ETH as of January 2025, BAYC is more than just a collection of unique ape avatars. It's a symbol of status in the crypto world 29. BAYC has expanded its ecosystem with the Mutant Ape Yacht Club, MAYC, and the Bored Ape Kennel Club, creating a whole universe of interconnected NFTs 25. Owning a Bored Ape isn't just about the digital art, it's a ticket to exclusive events, merchandise, and even virtual land in the upcoming Otherside metaverse. CryptoPunks, one of the earliest NFT projects, continues to hold its ground in 2025. These 10,000 unique pixel art characters have become iconic in the crypto world, with some selling for millions of dollars. What's fascinating about CryptoPunks is how they've maintained their value and relevance over the years. They're not just NFTs, they're a piece of crypto history, making them highly sought after by collectors and investors alike. Milady Maker has emerged as a dark horse in the NFT race. This collection of 10,000 Neo-Chibi NFTs has gained a massive following, with a trading volume of 720.27 ETH in just 24 hours as of January 20th, 2025. What sets Milady Maker apart is its unique aesthetic and strong community. The project has tapped into a niche that combines anime-inspired art with internet culture, creating a devoted fan base that's driving its popularity. While digital art remains a significant part of the NFT ecosystem, the technology has evolved to encompass much more: real-world asset tokenization. One of the most exciting developments in the NFT space is the tokenization of real-world assets. Imagine owning a fraction of a Picasso painting or a piece of prime real estate in New York City, all represented by an NFT. This trend is bridging the gap between the physical and digital worlds, making high-value assets more accessible to the average investor. By 2025, experts predict the value of tokenized real-world assets could exceed $50 billion. Gaming NFTs. The gaming industry has embraced NFTs with open arms. In-game items, characters, and even virtual land are now being tokenized, allowing players to truly own their digital assets. Games like Axie Infinity and The Sandbox have paved the way for a new genre of play-to-earn games, where players can earn real money by playing and trading NFTs. This trend is set to explode in 2025, with major game developers jumping on the NFT bandwagon. Music NFTs. Musicians are using NFTs to revolutionize how they connect with fans and monetize their work. Artists can now release limited edition tracks, album artwork, or even concert tickets as NFTs, creating new revenue streams and fostering deeper connections with their audience. Identity and certification. NFTs are being used to create secure, verifiable digital identities and certificates. From academic credentials to professional certifications, NFTs are providing a tamper-proof way to prove authenticity in the digital age. As we look ahead, the future of NFTs is bright and full of possibilities. Interoperability. New standards and platforms are allowing NFTs to function across different blockchain networks. This increased compatibility will lead to a more interconnected NFT ecosystem. AI and NFTs. The integration of AI with NFTs is an exciting frontier. Imagine NFTs that can evolve over time based on user interaction or market conditions. This could create a whole new category of dynamic, intelligent digital assets. NFTs in the metaverse. As virtual worlds become more sophisticated, NFTs will play a crucial role in representing ownership of digital assets within these spaces. From virtual real estate to avatar accessories, NFTs will be the building blocks of the metaverse economy. We're at the beginning of a transformative era in digital ownership and creativity. The NFT space is reshaping our understanding of value, ownership, and community. It's a wild ride, but one that's full of innovation and excitement. Whether you're a crypto veteran or newcomer, keep watching the NFT space. The next big thing could be just around the corner. Stay curious, stay innovative, and keep exploring the thrilling world of NFTs.